Hi everyone! Thanks for stopping by. Today, I wanted to share what I write in my Moleskine notebook. This year has been quite tough for many of us, for sure, but how are you holding up? One of the things I do when I feel stressed is to read my favorite books. Whenever I don't feel my best, I turn to my favorite writers. This autumn, I spent some time with Ochre and Schopenhauer. I spent some time reading Letters to a Young Poet by Ochre and The Wisdom of Life by Schopenhauer. It's fascinating that when I try to extract my favorite lines from the books for my notebook, some books really makes me want to write down almost all the lines in them. What do you do when you feel stressed? Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.